Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of an epic European adventure without draining your wallet, you're in the right place. Imagine exploring the vibrant streets of London, the romantic corners of Paris, and the artistic vibes of Barcelona, all within a budget of $1,500. In this video, we'll guide you through a 15-day European trip covering iconic cities like Amsterdam, Rome, Madrid, and more. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first Euro trip, these tips will help you save money, optimize your route, and make the most of your journey. Day 1 to 3. London. Our adventure kicks off in London, a bustling metropolis, rich in history and culture. As a major hub, London is a convenient starting point for international travelers. We'll spend the first 3 days soaking up the city's iconic landmarks and diverse neighborhoods. Start with settling in and recovering from your journey on the first day. Over the next 2 days, dive into London's treasures from the historic Tower of London to the modern art at Tate Modern. Wander through Hyde Park, cruise along the River Thames, and delve into British history at the British Museum. Don't miss vibrant markets like Borough Market, where you can sample delicious street food and local produce. For budget-conscious travelers, London costs around $100 per day, totaling $300 for 3 days. This includes affordable accommodations in hostels or budget hotels, and meals from local markets and cafes. If you prefer a bit more comfort, expect to spend around $170 per day on hotels. Day 4 to 6. Paris. Next, we hop over to Paris, the city of love and lights, via the efficient Eurostar train or a budget-friendly night bus. Spend 3 days wandering through the romantic streets, visiting world-renowned museums like the Louvre, and savoring French cuisine at local bistros. Paris invites you to stroll along the Seine River at sunset, marvel at the Gothic architecture of Notre Dame Cathedral, or ascend the Eiffel Tower for panoramic views of the city. Art enthusiasts can spend hours at the Louvre, from the Mona Lisa to ancient Egyptian artifacts. Budget travelers can enjoy Paris on approximately $90 per day, totaling $270 for 3 days. This includes accommodations in budget hotels or hostels, meals at local cafes and bakeries, and admission to museums and attractions. For more comfort, hotel stays average around $150 per day. Day 7 to 8. Amsterdam. From Paris, our journey continues to Amsterdam, known for its picturesque canals, vibrant art scene, and laid-back atmosphere. A short train ride brings us to this Dutch gem, where 2 days are dedicated to exploring the Anne Frank House, admiring tulip fields in season, and soaking in the city's unique ambience. Amsterdam offers historical charm and modern sophistication. Wander through the Jordan district, visit the Van Gogh Museum, or take a leisurely cruise along the canals. Don't miss Dutch delicacies like stroopwafels and bitterballen at local cafes. For budget travelers, Amsterdam costs about $90 per day, totaling $180 for 2 days. This budget includes accommodations in hostels or budget hotels, meals from casual eateries, and museum admissions. Hotel accommodations average $155 per day for a more comfortable stay. Day 9 to 10. Rome. Our route then leads us to Rome, the eternal city where ancient history meets modern charm. A quick flight from Amsterdam lands us in Rome, allowing 2 days to marvel at the Colosseum, wander through the Roman Forum, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck. Rome's timeless allure promises unforgettable experiences. Visit the Vatican City to admire the Sistine Chapel ceiling, explore the ruins of Palatine Hill, or indulge in authentic Italian gelato. Evening walks through the bustling Piazza Navona offer a glimpse into Roman life past and present. Budget travelers can explore Rome on approximately $75 per day, totaling $150 for 2 days. This includes accommodations in budget-friendly hotels or hostels, meals from local trattorias and pizzerias, and admissions to historical sites and museums. Hotel options average $135 per day for added comfort. Day 11 to 12. Barcelona. As your European adventure continues, you'll arrive in Barcelona, a city renowned for its unique blend of modernist architecture, rich Catalan culture, and vibrant street life. Over the next 2 days, you'll immerse yourself in the artistic legacy of Antoni Gaudí, whose whimsical and colorful designs have become synonymous with the city. Start your exploration with a visit to the Sagrada Familia, Gaudi's most iconic work. where the intricate facades and towering spires tell a story of faith and creativity. Another must-see is Park Güell, a sprawling garden complex filled with mosaics, winding paths, and stunning views of the city. Don't forget to stroll along Las Ramblas, the city's famous boulevard, lined with street performers, flower stalls, and bustling markets, giving you a taste of Barcelona's lively atmosphere. Beyond its architectural wonders, Barcelona offers a wealth of cultural and leisure experiences. Art enthusiasts will relish a visit to the Picasso Museum, which houses an extensive collection of the artist's works, showcasing his early years and artistic evolution. Take time to explore the Gothic Quarter, where narrow medieval streets lead to charming squares, ancient cathedrals, and hidden gems. In the afternoon, head to the beach to unwind on the golden sands of Barceloneta, a popular spot for both locals and tourists. As the sun sets, experience Barcelona's renowned culinary scene by dining at a local tapas bar or savoring fresh seafood at a seaside restaurant. With a daily budget of around $80 for budget travelers, including accommodations, meals, and attractions, Barcelona offers an affordable yet enriching experience, making it a perfect midpoint in your European itinerary. Day 13 to 15. Madrid. Our final stop on this unforgettable European journey is Madrid, the vibrant capital of Spain. Known for its royal palaces, bustling plazas, and an unparalleled art scene. After traveling from Barcelona via the high-speed AVE train or a budget-friendly night bus, you'll find yourself immersed in the dynamic energy of Madrid. Over the next 3 days, you will explore some of the city's most iconic attractions. Start your adventure by visiting the Royal Palace, an architectural marvel that serves as a testament to Spain's regal history. Take a leisurely stroll through the expansive Retiro Park, where locals and tourists alike relax amid beautifully landscaped gardens and tranquil lakes. In the evenings, the city comes alive with the sounds of flamenco. Attending a live performance is a must to fully experience Madrid's cultural heartbeat. Madrid is also a haven for art lovers, boasting some of the finest museums in the world. The Prado Museum, with its vast collection of European art, is home to masterpieces by Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco, making it a top priority for any visitor. Just a short walk away, the Reina Sofia Museum offers an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art, including Picasso's iconic painting, Guernica. As you explore the city's neighborhoods, from the historic quarters of La Latina to the hip, bohemian vibes of Malesana, you'll find countless opportunities to enjoy Spain's famous cuisine. Tapas bars are on every corner, where you can savor small plates of delicious Spanish dishes like patatas bravas, jamón ibérico, and gambas al ajillo, often accompanied by a refreshing glass of sangria. For budget travelers, Madrid is remarkably affordable, with daily expenses averaging around $60, making it the perfect destination to end your European adventure with a blend of culture, art, and culinary delights. Whether you're embarking on your first European journey or looking to maximize your travel budget, this itinerary offers a balanced mix of iconic landmarks, cultural experiences, and practical tips. From London's historic splendor to Madrid's modern vibrancy, each city provides a unique perspective on Europe's diverse heritage. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future travel guides and share your European adventure with us. Happy travels!